Hello everyone, welcome back to our page. Next, take a red color cloth, fold it like this from the between, and then we have to cut it from the top. Now cut it from the sides like this. Remove the extra part from the top. Now you have to open it after cutting it like this. Now fold it from the between and then give it a collar shape like this by cutting it. Now take another red cloth, fold it like this, open it and then cut it as shown in the video. Open it and then put the border on the downside and your dress is ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking a cloth, fold it like this. Now after that, we have to cut it from the downside as shown in the video. Now we have to open it. Now after cutting it from the top, we have to cut it like this and then open it. Now we'll be making its beautiful top. Now open it and then stitch it like this from the front and it's ready. Next, we have to take a cloth, fold it like this. Now after that, cut it from the downside and then fold it like this from the top. Now press it and then cut it like this. Now after that, we have to cut it from the top like this. Now after that, open it and then separate it. Now we have to stitch its borders and then make a beautiful blazer and it's done. Next, take a cloth, fold it like this. Now make a triangle and then mark the lines and cut it. Now open it and then you have to fold it from the between and stitch it like this and make a beautiful skirt like shape. Now after cutting it from the between, you will get a beautiful top. Stitch it like this and then make its frock on the downside. Make the frills like this and it's done. Next, take a cloth, fold it like this, cut it from the top. Now again cut it from the between. Now open it and then cut it like this. Now again open it and fold it from the between. Now after that, you have to make its pockets and buttons like this, stitch it and it's done. Next, we have to take a pink color cloth, fold it like this and then we have to take a white one and then again fold it. Now after that, put the pink one over it, cut it from the between and separate it. Now after that, cut it from the top and then open it and then put the pink one over it and cut it from the between. Now after that, we have to fold it like this from the between and give it a shape like this. Now after that, we have to take a brown color cloth, fold it like this, make a triangle like shape first and then fold it. Now cut it from the sides and remove the extra part. Now open it. Cut it from the top. Now after opening it, cut it from the sides as well. Now open it from the between and stitch it by folding it down like this and your beautiful top is ready. Next, we have to take a red color cloth, fold it like this, cut it from the top as shown in the video. Now open it and then you have to cut it from the top like this, make the borders of it and it's done. Next, take a green color cloth. Now we have to stitch it like this by folding it from the between. Now after that, we have to cut it like this. Now we have to make the space on the side as well. Remove the extra part. Now you have to cut the designs from the sides of your choice. Now open it and again fold it like this and your top is ready. Next, take a beautiful printed cloth. Now fold it like this. Now mark the lines over it with the help of a scale. Now you have to cut it like this using the scissor as shown in the video. Now open the cloth, put them aside. Now cut it from the between like this. Now put them together like this and stitch it from the top and mark the lines like this and it's ready. Next, take a pink color cloth, fold it like this from the between, make a triangle, fold it and then you have to cut it with the help of the scissor. Now after that, you have to open it and then fold it like this from the between. Cut it from the top, open it again and then fix it like this. Fold it down from the between and cut it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.